This is our 20th lecture. In this lecture, we will continue our topic, the pursuit of wealth in Islamic society and in the Western society. We find just in the last class, we have discussed the introduction about the pursuit of wealth. Now, we find two types of society, two forms of society. The first form of society is the traditional society. The second one is the Western society. The traditional society is based on moral values and religion in every time of history. And the Western thoughts, the Western society, the modern society, the Western society is based on the secularism, is based on the modern thought of West. So these two types of thought. So here we find that the traditional society is based on religion. Like here example was given in the coming paragraph, you will see that in Europe, in in the 19th, in the 16th century, we find the traditional thoughts. The European society was based on the European countries was based on traditional society. There was no concept of secularism. Later on, in the beginning of 17th century, secularism built. So we find the difference in the pursuit of wealth among two societies. Traditional society considered the pursuit of wealth is harmful for the society. But the Western society considered the pursuit of wealth is not a harmful society, is desirable, is a good thing to bring happiness, to optimize the desires of the society, to fulfill the desires. So pursuit of wealth is desirable in Western society to compensate the society desires. Now the question is that how modern thought or modern society was established, or modern society was established in the economy. How Western society was established in the economy. If you remember that, we have discussed this paragraph, maybe in the beginning, the origin of Western social science. Actually, the origin of Western social science basically is the origin of secularism. Actually, European society, European modern society, Western society, this society emerged due to moral corruption of Catholic religion, personals, and intolerant behaviors of Protestants, as the Christian religious scholars failed to maintain the society, as Catholic and Protestants failed to maintain the society, to fulfill the society needs. Then modern European thoughts, modern society, secular thoughts emerged in the Europe. Because the corruption in Catholic and Protestant religion forced the European society to build another thought, to build another way to compensate the poor, to compensate the desires of the poor. So, you remember, we have discussed already in the region of Western social science. So, when the modern European scholars find poverty in the society, then religious scholars of church has no solution to poverty. देन उन्होंने लोगों को बताया, देखो पॉवर्टी को रिलीजन कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाया. देन लोगों को उन्होंने कायल किया एंड दे रिप्लेस्ड द रिलीजन स्टेटमेंट, बाइबलिकल स्टेटमेंट, लव ऑफ मनी इज द रूट ऑफ ऑल इवल्स, विद बर्नार्ड शा विजडम, लेक ऑफ मनी इज द रूट ऑफ ऑल इवल्स. रीजन पॉवर्टी थी. लोगों ने फौरन उनकी स्टेटमेंट को पिक कर लिया. उन्होंने कहा कि अगर बाइबल स्टेटमेंट सोसाइटी का सॉल्यूशन प्रोवाइड करती होती, देन सोसाइटी में पॉवर्टी ना होती. लेकिन हमें सोसाइटी में पॉवर्टी नजर आ रही है. सो दे एग्रीड, वेस्टर्न सोसाइटी एग्रीड दैट. सो फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट वेस्टर्न सोसाइटी मर्ज, सेकुलर सोसाइटी मर्ज. Now, Western society was agreed to replace love of money is the root of all evils with the lack of money is the root of all evils. Getting the point? Now, the structure of the society began to be changed. Later on, many historians, many European scholars describe the process by which wealth was prioritized over other considerations. With the passage of time, शुरू में लोगों के पास लोग सोशल लाइफ को कंसीडर करते थे, सोशल कॉपरेशन को, सोशल वेलबींग को कंसीडर करते थे. Pursuit of wealth was not the purpose of society. Another reason of the problem, another reason of the replacement is the extreme behavior of the traditional society. अब वो ये तो कहते थे, वो ये भी रिपोर्ट करते थे कि बाइबल में ये रिपोर्टेड है कि रिच पर्सन के लिए बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट है कि वो पैराडाइज में जाए. उन्होंने अपनी मनमानी, जो चर्च था उसने अपने अंदाज में बाइबल में चेंज की हुई थी. वो ये तो कहते थे कि जो रिच पर्सन है उसका जन्नत में दाखिल होना बहुत मुश्किल है. बट एज कंपेयर टू दैट सोसाइटी, इस्लामिक सोसाइटी इज वेरी डिफरेंट. इस्लाम में एक्सट्रीमिज्म नहीं है. इस्लाम ये भी कहता है अबाउट होली प्रॉफिट पीस बी अपॉन हिम स्टेटमेंट दैट आपने फरमाया था, I like to survive in poors and die within poors, and I will be poor in the day of judgment. I like. आप पसंद करते, लेकिन इसके साथ आप ये भी फरमा देते कि जो ईमानदार ट्रेडर होगा, ऑनेस्ट ट्रेडर होगा, वो क़यामत वाले दिन अल्लाह ताला के अर्श के साए के नीचे होगा. इस्लाम में एक्सट्रीम नहीं है. परसूट ऑफ वेल्थ बैड नहीं है, शर्ते के परसूट ऑफ वेल्थ एक्चुअल में आपकी थॉट को चेंज ना कर दे, कॉपरेशन को, जेनरसिटी को, अदर सोशल रिस्पेक्ट को चेंज ना कर. अगर परसूट ऑफ वेल्थ सोशल कॉपरेशन को, सोशल वेलबींग को चेंज कर दे, माइंडसेट चेंज कर दे, आपकी डिजायर को, आपकी ख्वाहिशात का हिस्सा बन जाए, देन इट इज बेस्ट। सो विद द पैसेज ऑफ टाइम, एक दिन में नहीं हुआ कि वेस्टर्न सोसाइटी नोस दैट परसूट ऑफ वेल्थ इज अ गुड थिंग। विद द पैसेज ऑफ टाइम, वेस्टर्न सोसाइटी prioritized the pursuit of wealth over social consideration. Social consideration means over social cooperation, over social well-being, over social generosity. So here we will discuss this pursuit of wealth was merged with the passage of time in the Western society. But Islamic society was quite different. Although the second thing is that although pursuit of wealth emerged in the Western society, but it has long-lasting effects on the Western society. Pursuit of wealth बड़ा build तो वहां पे हो गया, लेकिन जो social consideration का बेड़ा गर्क हो गया वहां पे, तो वो भी हमें रिपोर्ट मिलती है कि pursuit of wealth, love for money ने problems क्रिएट किए Western society में, benefit नहीं दिए. Getting the point? So this was the difference between traditional thoughts, emergence of the traditional thought, and the difference between traditional thought and the Islamic thoughts. Okay. The second thing, अब हमारी सोसाइटी में भी बेटा वही काम हो रहा है। एक तरफ लिबरल सेकुलर लोग, सेकुलर लोगों का पर्पस क्या है? उनका फकत एक ही पर्पस है, वो हमारी सोसाइटी को, हमारी ट्रेडिशनल सोसाइटी को, इस्लामिक सोसाइटी को वो वेस्टर्नाइज करते जा रहे हैं विद द पैसेज ऑफ टाइम, और ये रियलाइज करते जा रहे हैं कि पाकिस्तान अगर इस्लामिक कंट्री है तो यहाँ पे पॉवर्टी नहीं होनी चाहिए, यहाँ पे क्राइम अदर सोशल प्रॉब्लम नहीं होनी चाहिए, लेकिन विद द पैसेज ऑफ टाइम ये प्रॉब्लम बढ़ते जा रहे हैं, तो इस्लामिक सिस्टम इसका सोल्यूशन नहीं है। इन एक्चुअल सेंस पाकिस्तान में रूलिंग पावर कभी इस्लामी रही नहीं है। अगर पाकिस्तान में रूलिंग पावर इस्लामिक हो देन ये प्रॉब्लम भी ना हो। अपीरेंटली हमारे जो रूलर्स हैं वो मुस्लिम्स तो हैं, लेकिन दे आर नॉट फॉलोइंग कुरान एंड सुन्ना। सम टाइम वो मुस्लिम्स, कुछ मुस्लिम स्कॉलर्स को बदनाम भी करते हैं, दे डिस्ग्रेस द मुस्लिम स्कॉलर्स with corruptions, but in actual sense they are only few. Their blame is foolishness, shameless behavior of the politician. अगर आज अच्छे मुस्लिम स्कॉलर्स को टाइम मिलता, definitely they can change the Pakistan. If Islamic system is launched in Pakistan, then there are the possibilities to change the Pakistan system, to turn out the secularism in the roots of Pakistan. Okay, now we are going to discuss the different Western scholars' point of view about the pursuit of wealth. So first of all, secularism built in the Western society. In Western society, in modern society, they find that secularism is the solution of society. In the secularism, Western society was confirmed that secularism is the solution of our social problems. Okay? Because they report that different human beings, different humans have different kind of goals. They should have the freedom to choose their goals. Okay? Different political leaders, they in Europe, they emphasize that human goals are diverse. Human goals are diverse, definitely. हमारे भी देखें, ह्यूमन गोल्स डिफरेंट है, कोई क्या बनना चाहता है, कोई क्या बनना चाहता है, कोई इंजीनियर, कोई पायलट, कोई मुस्लिम स्कॉलर, कोई क्या बनना चाहता है, कोई ट्रेडर बनना चाहता है. So they should have the freedom to choose the goals, and they should have the freedom to pursue wealth to fulfill their goals. वो कहते हैं अब अपने गोल्स को फुलफिल करने के लिए उनको फ्रीडम चाहिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. Secondly, pursuit of wealth is the only solution, is very essential to fulfill to to fulfill their to come to retrieve to achieve their goals. Therefore, that the wealth is very important. Pursuit of wealth is very essential. Is very essential component of freedom. If you have the freedom, then you can pursue the wealth. Then you can work for wealth, and wealth is very important to do whatever you desire. So pursuit of wealth should have a social goal. But this is a sequence. First of all, human goals are different. To fulfill their goal, you should have the freedom. To achieve pursuit of wealth, you should have the freedom. When you are free for pursuit of wealth, then you can achieve their goals. That is the point of view of Western society. Okay. Wait for 1 second. Again, I am going to share the screen. Okay. So now, the pursuit of wealth has become a goal. Now, every person in Western society want to maximize his desires with the pursuit of wealth. Okay. Now they want to maximize their goals. So they want to maximize their goals. In Western society, every person in Western society believes that they have the goal. They want to maximize their goals. They want to achieve their goals. It is possible with freedom. And freedom is also important to pursue the wealth. And the wealth is very important to achieve the optimal level of goals. So that is very important. Getting the point? So pursuit of wealth is very important to achieve the social goals. Otherwise, they cannot achieve their goals. Okay. Now they work for pursuit of wealth as medieval time periods. So as medieval famous statement, fable of the bees. Fable of the bee. Fable of the bees means working of the bees. Why they work? अगर वो work नहीं करेगी कभी भी वो production नहीं कर पाएंगे. So this fable of the bees describes how production stops when bees decide to give up greed and become honest and virtuous. अब वो कहते हैं जब तक bees greedy नहीं होगी, okay, honest नहीं होगी, virtuous नहीं होगी, then कभी भी वो शहद कलेक्ट नहीं कर पाएंगे, प्रोडक्शन नहीं दे पाएंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, fable of the bees, they should be greedy. They should work for production. अगर वो कहेंगे नहीं हमें प्रोडक्शन के लिए वर्क नहीं करना, so pursuit of wealth very important. Pursuit of wealth very important. प्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस रुक जाएगा अगर bees के अंदर greediness नहीं होगी. They are not greedy. So similarly in the society, you should be greedy if you want to achieve their goals. जब आप greedy होगे, then you will work for pursuit of wealth. then wealth can maximize your goals. Then Adam Smith similarly argued that selfishness of any person in the society deliver bread on the table. अगर आप selfish होंगे, then you will work for bread. Then you will work for pursuit of wealth. Then work for bread. That is the point. So pursuit of wealth, with the passage of time, pursuit of wealth was socially acceptable and produced public benefits in the society. So this thing, this sense of pursuit of wealth, that it was socially acceptable and it produced public benefits. But this concept of rising pursuit of wealth change brings about a radical changes in the fabric of European thoughts. It brought big changes in the European society. Now people work for the pursuit of wealth. Now they are greedy. Now they require reward for every work. Now there is no social cooperation. Now there is no social generosity. Now there is no sharing burden of each other. अब बेटा जैसे ही pursuit of wealth उन्होंने काम किया, no, they work only for pursuit of wealth. Now they are greedy, they are selfish. So उन्होंने सोसाइटी ने अपने गोल्स को फुलफिल कर लिए, लेकिन उसके प्रॉब्लम सोसाइटी को क्लियर किया. Now everybody works for the pursuit of wealth. इसके आउटकम क्या हुए वो हम डिस्कस करेंगे in the next paragraph. So, but in Islamic society, now the comparable thing is that in Islamic society, pursuit of wealth is not bad, but within the limits. Getting the point? But to work only for wealth and counting wealth, that is bad in Islam. And even Holy Prophet, even in Quran, the person who worked for wealth and counted wealth, his home is in the hell. Islam में pursuit of wealth bad नहीं, but within the limit. If you work only for wealth, counting wealth, that is bad. So in Islam, you can work for wealth, but you have to pay zakat. You have to care your neighbors. You have to pay sadaqat. You have to pay a different kind of sadaqat. As a result, nobody will be poor in the society. So where you will work for wealth, in the same time, you will work for the poor with sadaqat. So in this way, you will not be greedy. You will work for wealth within the limits. Then definitely such persons, such trader will be in the shadow of Allah Almighty Arsh in the day of judgment. Okay. So this point of view, 2 points of view. First point of view, European political thought that human goals are different. To fulfill their goals, they need wealth. For wealth, they need freedom. When they will work for freedom, they will work for wealth. Definitely, when they have the wealth, then they can achieve their goals. That's the medieval thought, and the one statement fable of bees. It means greediness of the bee as important. Similarly, when human beings will be greedy, then they will work for the production. Then they will bring bread on the table. So that is a simple explanation of Western scholars, how they work. Please listen the statement. How Western scholars work with pursuit of wealth in the society. With the passage of time, आप Western society में the pursuit of wealth became the social goal of the society. पहले सोशल गोल के और थे. पहले सोशल गोल क्या था सोसाइटी में? कॉपरेशन था, जेनरसिटी थी, वेलफेयर था, शेयरिंग बर्डन था. अब सोशल गोल क्या था? परसूट ऑफ वेल्थ. So these scholars changed the Western thoughts and they founded the base of secularism. Now, tomorrow we will continue our next pages and we will discuss further secular thoughts statements, how they present Keynes and other capitalist statement of pursuit of wealth, who consider that pursuit. Keynes and other school of thought like Milton Friedman, they consider that pursuit of wealth is very important. Okay, wait for that. So here Keynes' statement was little different as compared to Milton Friedman. Milton Friedman also confirmed, also emphasized, also focused on the pursuit of wealth as compared to Keynes. So we will discuss in the next class. If you have any problem, you can ask your question. Now I'm going to close up.